Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon, and evening wherever you are. Welcome to the podcast season for a while. For friends are who listening to and watching podcast season for a while, certainly you are curious about the topic of discussion in the podcast this time. Before we enter the podcast session, I, Kanita Halisa, will accompany you all in the podcast session. But here, I'm not alone. I'm accompanied by my friend Nindi Suci.
Hello, I am Nindi Suci who will accompany you on this podcast.
Well, in this podcast, the two of us discussion an interesting topic about cyberbullying in the Gen Z era. You probably took know. Okay, without the future delay, let's get into the talk session. Everything digital and modern developmentally has a health effect on life today, especially for Gen Z. Is it not right?
Very true, especially known that there are so many cases of cyberbullying among Gen Z. Known that technology has really advanced. It's also difficult to control all of that. Moreover, Gen Z is now heavily including the correct culture that comes in the internet and social media.
Exactly it. So, for friends who don't know what is cyberbullying, cyberbullying is intentional behavior to hurt other people online. This is a serious problem, especially because teenagers and experience major emotional and psychological impacts due to bullying.
Yeah, more simple. Cyberbullying include bullying using digital technology. Well, cyberbullying behavior can include sharing images of disgraceful personal information about someone on the internet, creating and upload connect the humiliated other.
Oh, I see. Indirectly, I also often see things like that. For example, bullying in the form of negative comments, demeaning and bad-mouthing people in favor of posts.
Yes, that one of behavior in that nowadays it is very scary when it comes to social media. The con filter that should be side source of positive and useful things.
Correct, Nin. What impact do you think the victim will feel?
Victim become
Vulnerable.
vulnerable to acts of online violence which can cause serious psychological impacts such as depression and stress, feeling of helplessness, and even indication of committing suicide. Bullying can damage the victim's self-confidence.
Well, the impact is really dangerous for the victim. Apart from mentally damaging, it also destroys one's own identity and self-confidence.
Yeah, therefore, we must be wise in using social media so that we don't feel or speak badly on social media, because this will have a big impact on both the perpetration and the victim.
It's really true, my friends, that you should not engage in cyberbullying because this conquers someone's life. This behavior has a negative impact on both the victim and the perpetrator or bullying session. Every action has consequence. To use your words usually when on social media.
Don't let it reach cyberspace. Let's stop cyberbullying together.
Well guys, it don't feel like we've exchanged ideas about cyberbullying. Thank you to those of you who have watched and listened to podcast. Sit down for a while until it finishes.
Is don't together to stay away from cyberbullying behavior. Okay,
Remember guys, I'm Kanita Kalisa and
I'm Nidi Suci.
we say goodbye and see you later. Bye bye.